Okay, so I am going to do a DIY laundry detergent. So this should last about 10 to 12 months. And yeah, let's get it going. So let's start with the bin. This is a 26 liter, 27 quarts. I didn't want nothing too big because I want to put this on a shelf in the laundry room. We'll start with the filter. And I got most of these products from Walmart, and it was less than like 40 bucks. I already had this. It's like a little more than half in here, and it's a little less than half in here. I don't know why both of them are open. My kids. And then I already had this, and I already had some downy beads, but everything else was like no more than 40 bucks. It wasn't expensive at all. So all of these things are the HE appliance safe. So I'm not gonna even put the whole thing in, I'm gonna layer it up. It smells good. I like powder better than liquid. It seems like it lasts longer. So I normally get like the Tide or the Gain powder. I put like the borax here. So the borax is a laundry booster. And then this one right here is the aroma. I want to say this was like $1.50. This was probably like, it wasn't a lot. I want to say that one over there was like $9. This was probably like $5, $6. And then the Ariel. Ooh, it smells so good. I want to go wash. It's late at night, but I want to go wash now. Put half in there. Ooh, this is my first time smelling this. Ooh, it smells good. I love like cleaning products and good smelling stuff. It makes me happy. We're gonna put the Arm & Hammer laundry booster. This was cheap too. No more than like $2.50, if that. Hey, this right here smells so good. So this is something that I keep in my house. You're gonna always find like vinegar in my house, and you're gonna always find baking soda in my house, because you can do so much with it. I already had some beads, so I'm gonna just add these in there. And then these are like scent boosters from Arm & Hammer. This is my first time trying them. They smell good, so I tried it out. Then this is the OxyClean. So you know how like you typically use like a scooper like this, or maybe it's bigger than this in the laundry detergent. You don't even need that much. You probably don't even need this much. I probably use something like this for one full load, and that'll be enough. Put half of that in there. Let's put the rest. I hope this thing is big enough. Oh, that smells good. Definitely washing the load tonight. This is the aroma. I don't know if this is gonna fit. Okay. It's gonna be crazy trying to mix it up though. Finish that off. Yeah, maybe I should have got a bigger container. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. Maybe I'll hold on to this because the borax, you can clean anything around the house with it. This one you can clean anything around the house too. So I ain't gonna put all these in there. It's layered, but let's see what we can do to mix this up some more. Need something sturdy. That was a disaster right there. I was gonna get the bigger one, but I wanted something that could fit in the laundry room. So what I'll probably do is I will probably, since I mixed the top up, once it gets lower, I'll start mixing this up down here. Because I probably should have mixed it up before I added the other layers. It's a trial and error thing. Next year, I'll probably mix up the bottom half and then mix up the top. So for now, we'll just scoop from the top And then once we get to the middle, I'll mix that up. Let me put a little more. It smells so freaking good. Ooh wee. So then I want to fill this up. So I won't have to keep dipping into this. I can just have that. DIY detergent. And again, this is gonna last us about 10 to 12 months. Cause we do wash a lot. I got boys. They always sweating, running, playing ball. So we're always washing clothes. So I definitely don't have to worry about buying any laundry detergent for the next year. There we go. If you try it,